Dysart Park is located in Grantham. Grantham is a market town located in the South Kesteven district of Lincolnshire, located where the River Witham rises. This river is thought to have been used even before the Celts, and is thought to mean river plain. There has been evidence of Paleolithic activity here, with an axe as evidence dated between 40,000 and 150,000 years ago. It was recorded in the Domesday Book with 183 households, which puts it in the top fifth of settlements. It is thought to mean either Grantus Homestead or Gravelly Homestead. It is known for being the birthplace of Margaret Thatcher, and the first diesel engine was made here and sold in 1892. Dysart Park was originally called Houghton Road Recreation Ground. It was gifted to the people of Grantham in the will of Sir Lionel Williams, John Manners. It was passed over in 1908, but got its current name in 1926. Manners was known as Lionel Tollymarch, 8th Earl of Dysart, born 1794 and died 1878, and was a Tory politician. The Earldom of Dysart was created by King Charles I in 1643 for William Murray. The word Dysart is thought to mean either desert, coming from Latin deserta, or height of God, derived from Old English dys, ard.